Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Rabia Manzoor, and once again we are together. In this lecture, I am going to discuss Measure of Location, which is chapter number 3. This is a brief outline of this lecture. At first, we will discuss what is meant by Measure of Location or central tendency. Then we will discuss the types of central tendency, and at last we will discuss or I'll explain what are the properties of good average. So let's discuss in detail. What is measure of central tendency? Central tendency means the central point of your data. If I talk about statistics, obviously I mean I am working with data. So as far as central tendency is concerned, it is a single quantitative measure used to indicate the center of the data. These values are single values which represent the given data and are known as location or averages or central tendencies. So you see the central point of the data represent your data in a very good manner, and it is the most important point which we extract. This is the most important point which we extract from the data and which represents the whole data in a single numerical value. The name measures of location arises as these measures give an indication where to locate the distribution of the data. That means it generally tells you what is the behavior of your data through a single numerical value, which is actually the center. So if I talk about data, that means the location of its center is important. You must know where is the center of the data, or where is the representative part of your data, and to extract this we calculate the measure of central tendency, which is also called the average or the measure of location. There are various names you can use for the center of the data. Let's talk about the types of the data. Types of central tendency. There are mainly three types of central tendency. The mean, which is represented by x bar, the median, which is represented by x modulus, and the mode, which is represented by x hat. So mean, median, and mode are the three different measurements which we use to find the center of the data. If I talk about mean, there are three further subtypes of mean. X bar, which is arithmetic mean, it is represented by A dot M. The geometric mean, this is the second type of mean, and harmonic mean, which is the third type of mean. So mean has further three types: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Actually, the arithmetic mean and the mean are the same measurement with two different names. So if I say mean or I say arithmetic means, they are same: geometric mean and harmonic mean, and then median and mode. There are mainly three types of central tendency, but if I talk about different authors in different books, they generally say there are five types of central tendency. They consider it together like a mean or arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median, and mode. So basically, these three types are the types of mean. So you can say three types and further three types, right? Or you can say directly five types because mean and arithmetic mean are the same thing. So these are the three major types of central tendency, which we will try to learn in this chapter. We will learn how to calculate mean, how to calculate median, and calculate mode in our further lectures. Now, what are the properties of good average? See, students, I would not say what are the properties of location, measure of location, or central tendency, or average. I can use any of the names. Like I'll say, what are the properties of good average? It is well defined, obviously. It is easy to calculate. It is easy to understand. It is based on all the values and it is capable of mathematical treatment. So an average would be a good average if it consists all the or major of the properties which is given in this slide. It must have a the appropriate mathematical formula and it must use all the values in your data and it should be easy to understand, easy to calculate, friendly, and it should be well defined. So if an average that fulfill all these property is a good average. I hope you have learned the basic concept of measure of central tendency, its types and the properties in this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.